Hey everyone, this is Aaron with Real Realty, your local area expert. Today I'm going to talk to you about 7 reasons why you should go visit Great Wolf Lodge in Concord, North Carolina. Spoiler alert, the number one reason is not the water park. Today is Great Wolf Lodge Day in Concord, North Carolina. It's only about an hour and 15 minutes away from Kernersville. It's one of our favorite places to go, and we're so excited. And with that excitement, let's start our countdown of why you should go to Great Wolf Lodge. Number 7, Great Wolf Lodge is located in Concord, North Carolina, only an hour and 15 minutes from the Triad area. It's about 20 minutes from downtown Charlotte. There's so many other places to visit in this area. You have IKEA, there's Concord Mills, which is a massive mall. There's breweries, museums, and some delicious restaurants. Number 6, the safety. Are you worried about your kids in the water? Not here. Great Wolf Lodge provides puddle jumpers and life jackets if you want to borrow them. Each area is staffed with multiple lifeguards, and they're trained to scan all areas of the pool at all times. I wouldn't be surprised if some of them actually have to go to the chiropractor because they literally rotate their neck around so much it looks like it really hurts. But anyways, I appreciate that. The lifeguard supervisors also test the lifeguards that are on duty. They have a doll that they have named Timmy that they will bring out in the water and make him drown multiple times a day to ensure the lifeguards are responding well to emergencies. They definitely get the best lifeguard award. Number 5, the theming. Great Wolf Lodge has their own brand, and it's evident throughout the lodge. In the common area spaces, they all feel like you're visiting a lodge on a camping trip in the woods. They've created their own characters, and they have their own TV show that they have playing in the channels and in your hotel room. Also, the carpets in the hallways all have animal tracks. Also, the hallways are lit by beautiful animals. The detail that they have in those lights are so neat. It's easy to miss all the details that there are throughout the entire resort. So whenever you go, make sure you pay close attention. I'm sure you're going to find some really cool stuff that I didn't even highlight in this video. The exterior grounds feel like you are staying in a true mountain cabin in the mountains. The landscaping is beautiful. There's green grass throughout. There's bushes and trees and shrubbery that's all similar to the mountains. Number 4, the entertainment. Upon check-in, you will receive an itinerary of the day for different activities. Make sure you review this because the times do change. Come up with a plan as a family on which events that you'd like to attend. It's easy to miss them since there's so many things to do, so pick your favorites, circle them, put them on your calendar, make them happen. Our family's must-dos are the Clock Tower Show, arts and crafts, and of course, the dance party. The Clock Tower Show is about 15 minutes, and it features animatronics, songs, and of course, some wolf surprises. It tells the story of a boy that gets scared from being lost in the woods. Arts and crafts is usually coloring and painting of some sort. Our kids love art, so this is always a hit. And the dance party, let's just let my kids' dance moves show you why you cannot miss this dance party. Other activities include bingo, story time, character meet and greets, and more. Number 3, the extras. Most people don't know this, so I'm going to let you in on a super top secret. Great Wolf Lodge is so much more than a water park. They have a bowling alley named 10 Paw Alley. They have putt-putt. There's an outdoor high ropes course. There's an arcade that keeps going and going. Quite frankly, it's overstimulating. I don't really like arcades, but if it's your thing, then this looks like it would be a spot for you. There's a laser tag arena. There's a Hollywood XD movie theater. See what they did there? Hollywood, like Great Wolf. Love it. All the theming is so good. There's a mining station where you can look for gold and other neat rocks and gems. And of course, Magic Quest. You're going to see kids running all around the lobby and through the common areas with a magic wand looking like little Harry Potter wannabes. It's because of the game called Magic Quest. It's basically a super neat scavenger hunt where you have to build up your magic power to defeat the dragon at the end. It's super fun for kids. It's super exhausting for adults. Make sure you're wearing your tennis shoes, but it's totally worth it. If you want to enjoy multiple activities, you can also buy a Paul Pass so that you can save some money. They have two of their own restaurants. One is we love to go to in the mornings for breakfast. There's an amazing buffet with bacon and eggs and biscuits and everything you can possibly imagine. They also have a Dunkin' Donuts for your donuts and coffee. There's a massive gift shop here too. Here's a pro tip, so listen up. Your visit also gets you a pair of wolf ears for each person in your party for free. A lot of times they will not tell you this at the check-in desk, so make sure that you do that. All you do is you go in the gift shop and you ask the cashier for your free wolf ears, and they will give it to you with a smile, and it's going to make your kids' day. They have a lot of candy, a ton of different merchandise, and they even have a Build-A-Bear section. Also, this is where if you left your shampoo or any of your toiletries, you can purchase those in the gift shop as well. Number 2, the water park. I know, shocking, it's not my number 1 spot. A lot of you thought that it would be, but it's not. It sure was a close one. However, this is one of the best indoor water parks in the entire state of North Carolina. There's something to do for all ages and all levels of thrill seekers. For our babies and young kids, there's a fenced-in water park section called Cub Paw Kiddie Pool. They have age-appropriate water slides, splash zones, and pretend jet skis that shoot water. There are chairs that are lined around the sides of this one. So if you parents or caregivers want to sit back and relax while your kiddos run around and get their energy out, do it. That's one of my biggest tips. Catherine and I love sitting down, having a beverage, watching our kids run around and swim until they get exhausted. One of my favorite spots in the water park is Fort McKenzie Play Area. This section has 2 spinny slides called Totem Towers that your 3-year-olds can ride and adults can ride too. You can make yourself go fast or slow on these slides, so it can be as thrilling as you want it to be. There are different zones here where you can physically play with the water and spray people, dump water on people, splash around, run around, and of course, get a massive bucket of water dumped on you. Can you even have a water park without a giant bucket that dumps? I don't think so. The big kid adult slides are great. River Canyon Run is my personal favorite. You can have 2 to 5 people ride, so it fits our entire family. It's also a medium thrill ride. Parts of the slide do go fast, but it's not too scary. It is my 4-year-old's favorite ride here, but it's also mine. Now, Howling Tornado is hands down the biggest thrill slide here. All I'm going to say is if you do decide to ride that one, make sure you are holding on tight. There's a big surprise for you in the middle of it. I almost fell out of my raft the first time I rode it, and I haven't been back since. You can ride single or double riders on Alberta Falls. It's pretty fun, but also be sure that you hold on tight. Not nearly as scary as Howling Tornado, but it's still pretty good. Mountain Edge Raceway is another really fun one. It's one of our favorites. You ride on a mat on your stomach, and you get to race your friends or family. Being the bigger guy that I am, I always win. I go the furthest, and I always come out fastest. So, okay, here is where my kids spend most of their time. The Slap Tail Wave Pool. It's pretty large, and it's one of their main attractions. They have waves that turn on for about 5 minutes at a time every 10-15 minute rotation. Makes you feel like you're in the ocean without the worry of sharks or fish coming to get you. And if you grab a lounge chair and close your eyes, it sounds like you are at the beach. While you're at the water park, make sure you explore the whole park. Do you like basketball? There's an entire dedicated pool to shooting hoops. Do you like a challenge and like to work out those muscles? Be sure to check out the lily pads where you have to try to jump the lily pads or climb across the rope all the way across the pool. Not excited about being in the water? There are tons of areas for you to rest and relax throughout the whole park. Be sure to visit Grizzly Rob's Bar for your libations. I love their classic margarita, but they have a long list of different alcoholic beverages. There's beers and wines as well. The lounge chairs are super comfortable. The table and chairs are also a great spot if you have to do any emails on your laptops or if you need a spot to sit and eat and rest. Want to splurge? Rent a cabana for the day. You get your own private cabana. It's reserved, so on busy park days, you don't have to worry about rushing down and being the first ones to grab a spot. They come with a mini fridge, drinks, there's a fan in there to help keep you cool, their charging station, there's a sectional, lounge chairs, and so much more. Your own personal TV, too. It's really cool. They usually run for about $100 a day. You can get it sometimes more in the prime season, sometimes less in the off season. So check with Great Wolf Lodge before your trip if that's something you want to do. And our number one reason as to why you should visit Great Wolf Lodge in Concord is the value. Okay, let's break this down as to why the value gets the number one spot. Most of the time, you can expect to spend about $300 on your standard average room at Great Wolf Lodge. Sometimes, if you're like me, you can sign up for their e-newsletters and actually get it as low as $125, $150, depending on your resort fees. But on average, plan to expect to spend about $300. It fluctuates also with the time of the year. If it's prime season, it's going to be more expensive. Off season, you get it cheaper. But for this scenario, let's talk $300 a night. Okay. Each night that you stay also includes your water park tickets. If you're staying one night, you can actually access the water park starting at 1 p.m. on the day of check-in, and you get the entire next day of checkout from park open to park close. So you really get 2 days of water park access plus your free hotel night. So let's break this down a little bit more. If you're spending $300 a night, our family of 5, if we go for 2 park days, that costs $30 per person per day for the water park. Super affordable. That doesn't even talk about the hotel room, doesn't talk about your wolf ears, all your resort activities. It's just a really great value. All of this really adds up. That's why we keep going back. I'm a penny pincher. I like to save money and I really like value. And so for me, Great Wolf Lodge, number one reason why you should go with your family is because it is a great value. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, be sure that you like it. Comment below. Do you agree with my order? Would you had added something differently? Take something off the list? Also, be sure to subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching this episode of 2NC and Beyond. 2NC and Beyond.